is Kim Rose. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and a certified diabetes care and education specialist. Today, I want to talk to you about snacking with diabetes. Snacking is not only fun and convenient, but it may also help with better blood sugar control. Snacking with diabetes is an art as well as a science. It's an art because food has to taste good and look good, and it's a science because you want to make sure that you're choosing options that won't send your blood sugar levels spiking. A healthy snack option really depends on the individual. For example, some people who may be a little more physically active may need to snack to keep their energy levels up, while others may simply want to enjoy something savory or sweet. Whatever your reason is for snacking, remember this. Choose a snack that has a high fiber carbohydrate option. Dates are an example of this. Dates contain carbohydrates that provide the body with energy, but they also have fiber, which can help with better blood sugar control. After you find the carbohydrate of your liking, pair that with a protein. Protein is needed by the body for growth and repair, and it also helps to keep you full for a longer period of time. To sum it up, snacking is a part of a healthy diet. It keeps you satisfied and it keeps your energy levels up. Whatever you choose to snack on today, happy snacking.